All right. Hey, I do not have time to make a video today, but I thought this would be a good one to do. So I would love to hear any sort of recommendations you have for this channel. I've been doing this for a little bit more than a year, about a year and a half, give or take. I think one of the coolest changes I've recently made was my YouTube thumbnails. I still have my few sentence summaries of the video, but now there's a real cool picture on the side of it. And that actually came from some really good, criticism, right? Constructive criticism. There's no other word for it. So I will not be offended if you say anything negative. I'm not necessarily going to change everything that people say that they think are negative, right? But believe me when I say I am so open to making this even better if I can. So please don't hesitate if you have any ideas, suggestions, recommendations. But I would love to make this better if I can. I keep saying it. Look, I have no real plans of charging anything. I still really love doing this for free. I have met an amazing amount of people. I have some amazing conversations, and it's cool. It's actually worth more than money is. I'm not gonna lie. I would love to make a little bit more money from this YouTube thing than obviously I have already. So that is in the back of my head. But like I said, there's really no plans, and I'm just excited to keep doing this, all right? So even if there is no negative feedback, let me know what you like. That's also another thing, right? If I can do something more that I'm not doing enough, let me know. But overall, like I said, I'm so excited to keep doing this all through the year. I'm so grateful for all of it, the good, the bad, and everything in between. So thank you, and yeah, I will make more videos for sure tomorrow. Today was just kind of a rougher day, so thank you so much. Hey, talk to you all soon. Have a great one.